The story behind HemoHIM, revitalizing tired immune cells. Introduction to the development history of HemoHIM's raw materials. HemoHIM is a unique plant complex made from 3 types of herbal ingredients native to Korea: Angelica Gigas, Cnidium Officinale, and Paeonia Japonica. Developed by the Food Science Biotechnology team at the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, KAERI. HemoHIM underwent an extensive process before being recognized as an individually certified health functional food that can help improve immune function. Let's explore the journey of developing HemoHIM's raw materials with a commitment to enhancing people's health. The development project at KAERI began in 1997. I became interested in immunity while working at the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. Many of us suffer from poor immunity and its resulting illnesses. I wondered how we could improve immunity and health through the foods we eat. That's where the project began, recalls Dr. Byun-Myung Woo, who was part of the HemoHIM development team. KAERI conducts research on the use of radiation in various fields, from everyday life to numerous industries. However, a significant challenge arose when workers' immunity and hematopoietic function weakened due to exposure to radioactive materials. Therefore, finding a solution to improve weakened immunity became a priority. Protecting the health of workers in radiation-exposed environments was as crucial as KAERI's mission to enhance citizens' overall health. Dr. Song-Ji Cho, who led the development of HemoHIM, emphasized that the project was not optional but essential. I was convinced that developing a plant complex that could boost reduced immunity and hematopoietic function would benefit many people, including radiation workers, he said. In the summer of 1997, KAERI's Food Science Biotechnology team embarked on the HemoHIM development project. Their goal was to create a product that could help improve immunity using natural ingredients, and the project took off in full swing. Immunity finds answers in Chinese medicine. During the first 3 years of development, the team focused on studying how to regenerate cells and restore a compromised immune system. They concluded that promoting immune hematopoiesis and tissue regeneration was paramount, and began searching for plant complex materials to meet these needs. Developing a new substance specifically for immunity was not our initial plan. Instead, we hypothesized that traditional Chinese medicine might hold the key. If any existing herbal medicines were beneficial for immunity, we planned to scientifically prove it. If not, we intended to develop something new on our own. Thus, a research team led by Dr. Cho committed to finding immune-boosting ingredients among various medicinal herbs in Korea. They ultimately proved that Angelica Gigas, Cnidium Officinale, and Paeonia Japonica formed an effective combination for improving immune function. This led to the development of a plant complex composition to support immunity, resulting in the creation of HemoHIM in April 2002. Although the project was initially expected to take at least 7 years, it was completed in 4.5 years thanks to the team's dedication and passion, often working through nights and weekends. HemoHIM, finally recognized as a raw material for improving immunity. However, the developers knew that this was only half the battle. They believed that if their technology couldn't contribute to public health, it would be meaningless. Therefore, they advocated for establishing a company to commercialize the technology. I presented the idea of establishing a company to the board of directors for government approval, and the initial reaction was no. The reason given was that establishing a company wasn't considered the job of researchers. Dr. Jang In-soon, who was the director of KAERI at the time, recalls that launching a research institute company was a matter of pride for the researchers. There were many moments when he felt discouraged, seeing hard-developed technology in a research institute fail to gain market recognition. However, the research team persevered. As the saying goes, persistence pays off. After considerable time and effort, Sun Biotech, now Kolmar BNH, was established in February 2004. This company was jointly funded by the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute and Kolmar Korea, a company specializing in cosmetics research and development. The launch of Sun Biotech drew global attention because it was the first company established by a government-funded research institute through technology investment rather than a simple technology transfer. In August 2006, 2 years after Sun Biotech was founded and had acquired several patented technologies from KAERI, HemoHIM passed a functional and safety assessment by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. It was approved as an individually certified raw material, number 2006-17, that can help improve immune function.